Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Diep Io. To start, your main goal is to destroy geometric shapes and other tanks to earn experience and level up. You control your tank using the WASD or arrow keys for movement and your mouse to aim and shoot. You begin as a simple tank with one cannon, but quickly gain the ability to upgrade. Focus on collecting points to grow stronger and dominate the arena. As you level up, you'll earn upgrade points to spend on 8 different stats, including health, bullet damage, and movement speed. These choices significantly impact your tank's performance. Reaching levels 15, 30, and 45 allows you to evolve into more specialized and powerful tank classes. Experiment with various builds to find what suits your playstyle best, balancing offense and defense for optimal results. To succeed, focus on farming neutral shapes in the early stages to gain experience quickly. Pay close attention to the types of enemy tanks you encounter and their upgrade paths. This helps you predict their movements and attacks. Use the arena's environment to your advantage, employing obstacles for cover or setting up clever ambushes. Smart positioning can often turn the tide of a battle in your favor. For advanced play, consider joining team-based game modes where cooperation is key. Working with allies allows for coordinated attacks and defenses, significantly increasing your chances of victory. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tank builds and classes. There are many unique combinations to discover. Finding a playstyle that truly resonates with you will make your Diep Io experience even more rewarding and fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.